we're gonna take this chicken and we're gonna put it in the air fryer.
Yes.
And we're gonna make a sandwich that's delicious. I'm not beating this too hard, but I wanna spread it out a little bit, tenderize it just a little bit. These are boneless, skinless thighs.
Like to buy them like that.
That's what we're gonna make a sandwich of. Now we're gonna take, believe it or not,
Want me to add some?
this isn't gonna leak. Watch it sprout a leak. You would think after all that punching on that bag, I didn't hit it that hard though.
No, you didn't. But I'll put it in here just in case. How's that?
Just in case. We're gonna soak that in pickle juice for a couple hours. Up to 4 or 5 hours, you can do this. Yeah, let's take that chicken, put it in the refrigerator. Now in your flour, non-seasoned, seasoned, you wanna have a heavy garlic profile. So I'm gonna go heavy on the garlic. And when I say heavy,
That's heavy.
I mean probably,
Wow. Almost
probably a
all.
tablespoon and a half. Now it was rumored that the guy that started the chicken thing in this state, tell a cherry pepper. It has a different flavor.
Yes, it does.
It absolutely does, and it's really good in chicken. If you've got that, try to use it.
Lots of pepper.
You can find it online anywhere. I'm gonna come back with some seasoning. I'm gonna call it a poultry seasoning. So I'm gonna mix that up. I'm gonna make sure that that is spread around adequately because I want that flavor to be in every bite.
Salt.
Salt. Must have some salt. I'll tell you what let's do first. Let's mix up our eggs.
Right? So how much buttermilk do you have in there?
Oh, if I had to guess, that's probably a 1/4 cup. How many eggshells do you have in there?
Just one. I got rid of it. One eggshell. Having trouble today.
So we'll whisk that up. So we're pulling straight out of our pickle juice, straight out of that wonderful pickle juice, right into our unseasoned flour, into our egg buttermilk dip. And you really want to be cautious during this process. Make sure every bit of that is covered up, because if you have a little dry spot, it's not going to pick up your next important part,
The best part.
which is that flavored flour.
Well, we could fry this, but we're being good, aren't we?
We're being good. No oil.
That's right.
No oil was used during the making of this show. All right, here's our third piece. That's 3 sandwiches.
Ooh, yummy.
This is going to go for what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, we'll watch
We're going
it.
to check it at 20
Right.
minutes and see where we're at. Oh, I am just telling you. I'm just telling you.
You excited?
Yeah. This, to me, makes the bread.
Oh, yeah.
There's a little bit of butter. You can put some garlic in there too if you'd like. So we're just going to slightly brown these and get that butter taste in there. All right, we checked our meat. We're at 180, so we're well above. We're
Yeah.
good to go. And we'll get some potatoes too. So let's take these out and dress them up. So I want our chicken to be bigger than the bun.
It is bigger than the bun. Give me that little one.
Want the little one?
Yes.
I so wish you could smell what's going on here. So now I took some honey mustard and I put some smoked paprika in there. Now you can put whatever you want to on here. Then now, this is just me, but I sure like a big old pickle on there. Now look, I got chicken off the side of my bun. I got a big old pickle on it. I got smoked honey mustard.
How is it? Delish? What do you think?
This is outstanding.
Look at that. Oh, wow.
But let me tell you what, try this.